This is the quick release speed clamp. This small handy clamp has a quick release action and a lever action jaw opening. It also has a thumb screw for expand and stretch. It's got a maximum 10cm 4-inch jaw width when fully opened, which is great for grasping smaller and lightweight objects. To clip the clamp, simply place over the material that you'd like to clamp on your table edge, pump the handle, and as you will see, the clamp is tightening to the bench. Once the clamp is tight, the handle will go no further and your material is secure. To release the clamp, push the orange button underneath and slide to release. That's the quick release speed clamp.